Wouldn't you know? Wouldn't you know, the crazy bird lady? Mummy can't just go, come here. She wants a bird in her hand. Mummy can't just go, come here. They're not going to listen to you. I don't know. Just go and stand. You're scoring them, you psycho. They don't like you.
Oh, right.
Oh, there's one. Mummy, you need to stay still. You're scaring them. Seriously? You can take a crazy bird lady out of Belfast, but you can't take the crazy bird lady out of Linda. Is that the way it goes? Are you all, are they on you yet? No? Like, come on, you can... Oh, she's got one. She's got one. Happy days. Happy days, she's got one. Oh, she's got two.